Welcome to the 2018 Basketball Media Day here with the American Conference in Philadelphia. I'm Andy Katz. And once again, in men's basketball and in women's basketball, we've got national championship type contenders.
We have programs steeped in tradition with long and storied histories, and we have up-and-coming programs. But I love our current trajectory, and I believe we're poised to have great success in the years to come. There's no question about it.
Down in the hole, baby.
That's a hit.
Come on, man. Come on, baby.
Coach Sampson just told me, Coach Sampson knows how to get me going, basically.
We're now joined here on the set at American Basketball Media Day by UConn head coach Gino Auriemma, as well as USF head coach Jose Fernandez. It's not every day that we get to have the league's two premier coaches. Looking forward to a great year across the American this season, tipping off in just a couple of weeks. That's a wrap here from Basketball Media Day in Philadelphia.